Well, it's a bit of a rainy day out there. Brought the Spyker inside. I'm going to do the disassembly. This will be part 2 of their renovation project. Alright, took about an hour to take everything apart. It's pretty clear that this thing was used for salt application. It had a couple of these brackets on the side that held those side blockers. The main frame tube here is pretty roached out. I'm glad I ordered another one. I don't think that was going to be too smart to try to salvage. It's pretty heavy duty though. The other two bars that held the wheels, they're not too bad a shape, but I did order replacements for those two. The only major trouble I had was this solid stock piece here. It's tapped on each end here. There's a couple stainless parts going through. They were in there pretty solid, so there must have been some RTV or something that held them in there. When I tried to take them off with the wrench, I ended up breaking both of them, which is kind of tough to do. They're pretty hard parts. And then I had to use a torch to get the other half out of each piece, but that's not the end of the world. So I'm going to get to cleaning up parts next.